Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can change your page name on Facebook, on laptop or PC. If you are using your phone, you can do the same steps. You just have to access Facebook using the web version. This is very quick and easy. All you have to do, guys, you want to click on your profile in the top right, okay? First thing, and then you want to click on see all profiles. And here you want to select the page that you want to change the name. I'm going to select this one. Now, next thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on the page name here. If it doesn't take you to your page, you want to click on your page name in the top right, and then it will take you to your page. Okay, after you are on your page, this is very easy, guys, to change your name. I'm going to change it right now. So as you can see, this is my old name. It's called Anything Really. So I'm going to click on settings in the left. And then, as you can see, the name and username, you want to click on edit next to name. And here you want to keep in mind that if you change your name on Facebook, you can change it again for 7 days. Now you want to change the name here. And then you want to click on review change. And it says here, you are requesting the following change to your page. You want to enter here your password. This is very important, so that you can make sure it's you who wants to change your Facebook page. After you enter the password, click on the request change, and that's all you need to do, guys, to change your Facebook name, your Facebook page name, or Facebook. So if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.